Yo, what up? Welcome back to the channel, Creatives. I haven't been here in a second. It's been a minute. I've been moving, a lot of stuff going on. I got new update vlogs on the way, but I figured I'd clock in and let you guys see some POV photography from me. Why? I know I'm typically doing music videos, I'm typically doing like video projects and content, but I don't know, I just wanted to do some POV photography. I also just got back from a road trip that me and the homies did down to Florida and Key West, Miami, Orlando. We stopped to a bunch of different places, and as soon as we got back, my homie YC hit me up and he wanted to go out and shoot some stuff for a project he was working on. So what me and the homies had to do for YC's video is just be natural, be out in the street, taking photos of each other, just doing our thing, creating. And I was personally just taking photos. I ended up throwing the GoPro on my head, and here's what I got. Can we just film random shit right now? Yeah, I got, I don't know. Y'all walk around, see some shit y'all like, take photos of it. When I got my live mic, I'm gonna mic y'all up and ask y'all some questions and shit, you know what I mean? And but like, is my shit rolling? Yeah. Can you see me? Yeah. Damn, that shit looks nice. My GoPro looks shitty. What the fuck? It's that 9, man. Damn, that shit looks nice as fuck. It's time. It's fucking potato time. I ain't shot. Oh, dang! Oh no! That shit break? Oh shit. This shit's stuck. Come on, lean your shit. And I smell that blunt. Oh shit, it's time to get the real shot. Oh no.
Let me get a picture of you right here.
Yo, back up one step. Yeah, one step. Step on that white line. Whew. Hi. Maybe it's you who can save me. Maybe it's me who can save me. Maybe. Oh shit. I'm just experimenting, don't worry. Showing might be better. You got more depth of field. What you shooting at, 1.4? Of course. Show off.
Show off.
Let's just start there. Pain will come. It's pain. Get out this shot. God. Ruin it, why don't you? Let me use your lens real quick.
Maybe it's you who can save me.
Got it, heard. I don't. So this is something new. I do love and enjoy taking photos. It's really fun. I love coloring down photos. If you want to check out my presets, I do have Lightroom presets for photos down below. Click the link where you can go check out all the presets. There's a bunch of different packs that I have in my store. All are really great, I think. I have different presets from different cities like LA and some in Miami, and they're all just kind of like my style on different occasions, different moods, different lighting conditions. But other than that, that was just something new, man. We'll probably do some more of that later down the line. I don't know, I want to do some more stuff like how to take photos with me, how I actually look into taking photos, or how I color grade my photos, what my, like the thought process behind it. Other than that, I'm not gonna hold you no longer, man. I hope that you enjoyed this. Slap that like button if you enjoyed it. Drop me a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will see you guys in another video soon to come. Peace.